Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 33. Which of the following factors will not underestimate the national income? A. Rapid decrease in prices. B. Increased subsistence production. C. Practice of specialization of labor. D. Increase in value of services not paid for. So we are looking at the concept of national income, and simply put, it is the income or profits generated by a country. Now we are looking at factors that will or will not underestimate or decrease the income of a country. So rapid decrease in prices. When prices of goods or services rapidly decrease, it will decrease the national income. Now, increase in subsistence production will, in the same vein, decrease or underestimate national income. However, option C, which is practice of specialization of labor. Now, specialization of labor is what is also known as division of labor. And in division of labor, basically, productivity and efficiency will increase. And when productivity increases, the income of any country or any entity also increases. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Practice of specialization of labor will not underestimate national income. So option C is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.